So, hello everyone, my name is Anisito Diabela Jr. and today I will be presenting Vietnam and its apparent and economic policies. Vietnam is a Southeast Asian country known for its rich culture, history, and rapid economic growth. Now let us explore how Vietnam navigates international relations and develops its economy today. Vietnam foreign policy is guided by the principle of the independence, self-reliance, and peaceful international cooperation. It maintains a three-no's policy. First is no alignment with one power against another. Second is no military alliance. And third is no foreign military bases on Vietnamese soil. Vietnam is an active member of international organizations including the United States, Asians, and APEC, which help it strengthen diplomatic and trade relationships globally. So visual factory shipping container tech hubs, AVFTE, CPTT logos. Vietnam economic policies focus on market-oriented reform, international trade, and sustainable growth. Since the launch of the Doi Moi policy in 1986, Vietnam has shifted from a centrally planned economic to a social, less oriented market economy, which encourages private enterprise, foreign investment, and integration into a global economy. And Vietnam is part of several free trade agreement, including the Comprehensive and Progressive Agreement for Trans-Pacific Partnership CPTPP, and Department of EU-Vietnam Free Trade Agreement that we call EVTA. This agreement have expanded export opportunities, particularly in electronics, textiles, and agriculture. Additionally, Vietnam has prioritize innovations, infrastructure development, and green growth to sustain long-term economic growth and improve living standard for its citizens. In summary, Vietnam contemporary foreign and economic policies are designed to promote peaceful diplomacy and international cooperations and robust economic growth by balancing relations with global power and pursuing market-oriented reforms. Vietnam has emerged as a strong player in the international arena while ensuring domestic development. Once again, this is Anisito Avila Jr. Thank you for watching my presentations, and I hope these presentations give you a clear picture of Vietnam policies and progress as one of the top countries worldwide.